Good morning, Trinidad and Tobago, and welcome once again to the Bourse Report, the first edition for this new year. I take the opportunity on behalf of the Bourse family to wish you all the very best for this new year 2018, health, wealth, more wealth, and happiness. And in that vein, we look at what has been happening with the local stock exchange and what we can expect in the year ahead 2018. Over the next few weeks, we'll cover not only the local stock exchange, but what's happening internationally in terms of bonds, equities internationally, as well as local bonds and local equities and other forms of investment in which you, as an investor, can participate. Let's start by looking at what has happened with the local stock exchange and make some projections and forecasts for the future. Turn now to our first graph, which speaks to the question of the performance of the market over the past year. And you would see several lines, green, red, and blue. And really, the red line shows what has been happening with our local market. That is, companies that are domiciled and registered and listed in Trinidad and Tobago only. And not surprisingly, the market has been down for the year 2017. What's going to happen in 2018? And it's down about 5%. Flip to the green line, which shows you what has been happening with cross-listed stock. These are stocks that are trading in Trinidad and Tobago, which are domiciled in other jurisdictions, particularly Jamaica, Barbados, and in the case of Sagicor, Bermuda. And the blue line shows you a composite. Essentially, what has been happening is the cross-listed stock have performed very well in the order of about 37, 38%, as you would see on your screen. Local stock down 5%, and some weighted average of the two, which is the Trinidad and Tobago Composite Index, just above 0%, 4.75% for the year 2017. Flip very quickly now to what's happening, who are the winners and who have been the losers for the year 2017. The NCBJ Financial Group out of Jamaica is way ahead at 109% uplift in terms of valuation, so that if you bought the share for $2 some time ago, it would be $4. Right now, the share is trading at above $6. 650 thereabout, that is where it has been averaging. The other stock that is the big winner, JMMB, up 83% in the year 2017. Guardian Holdings, the subject of a takeover right now, is up 35%, as you would see on your screen. TTNGL, 26%, for those who participated in the IPO and the APO last year would have seen very good results. And less lower down is Agostini, very short in terms of liquidity, but still moving upwards. Losers, TCL, down 14%. Whitco, down 21%. NFM, 24%. OCM, 34%. And at the very bottom, down 51%, Unilever. Flip quickly now to what's happening in terms of the value of trades that took place on the market in the year 2017 versus 2016. Very flat, as you would see, $1.1 billion, $1.16 billion in each year. Even though volumes have come down, values have remained relatively flat in terms of valuation. So those are the things. This is what happened last year. Let's try and see what's going to happen this year. And when we look at the two of the indices, the TTCI, which composes the cross-listed stock and the local stock, as well as the All T&T, what we are seeing as we look out into the future is some deterioration in value for the market as a whole. Let's be very clear, deterioration in value as a whole when we look at the index and the market as a whole, but there are selected stock in which you can participate, and it's very important how you pick in a market that is being challenged by various things, increase in taxes, the shortage in foreign currency for access by businesses. Those are two of the drivers. The downturn in the economy expected to uptick this year to 1.9% up after 6% decline in 2016 and 3% decline in 2017. But the major factors are those factors that impact corporate earnings and then valuations. So you can see more of this in our report on our website, www.bourseinvestment.com. Have a look at much more details, but the market is likely to trend down in both indices, TTCI and All T&T. And where are these declines taking place? And I would say, if you look at this particular graph, it's right across the board, save and except energy. And there really is one energy stock on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, and that is TTNGL, which is doing well. It is also going to give you, with the increase in energy prices, we should and can expect some uptick in their earnings, and also it is an excellent hedge against currency deterioration. So look more for these various details, as I said, on our website, in the newspapers, where we continue as Bourse to provide you with, I would say, the longest serving public information and investment advisory in the country at this point in time. Have yourself a wonderful investment week. Call us on the, at our phone number 2 Bourse and get more information that you may require for your investment in the year ahead. This is Subhash Ram Kelawan for the Bourse Report.